I am now open to positive transformation. I am open to positive changes. I am open to becoming a better version of myself. I am willing to receive more abundance. I am open to abundance in all its forms. I am manifesting my heart's desires. I am full of untapped potential. I am tapping into my potential right now. I am radiant from the inside out. I am empowered with positive, inspired thoughts. I am worthy of a wonderful life. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am healthy and well. I am alive and thriving. I am bold and I am beautiful. I am strong, I am centered, and I am stable. I am enough just as I am right now. I am confident and comfortable in my own skin. I am fierce and I am fabulous. I am authentically me. I am connected to all that is. I am trusting in life's flow. I am blessed beyond my imagination. I am grateful for my wealth in all its many forms. I am attracting abundance in all its forms. I am powerful beyond measure. I am achieving great things. I am supported in every way by the universe. I am worthy of love, and I give out love to others. I am caring, and I am cared for. I am full of energy, and I am full of inspiration. I am worthy of success and abundance. I am grateful for the many gifts I receive. I am talented, and I am creative. I am an inspiration for myself and others. I am listening to and trusting my intuition and my inner guidance. I am becoming the best version of me. I am strong, and I am resilient. I am capable of overcoming all obstacles. I am kind and patient with myself and others. I am my own best friend. I am kind, I am compassionate, and I am generous. I am grateful for even the smallest of my achievements. I am proud of myself and my accomplishments. I am gaining so much positive momentum in my life. I am limitless in what I can be, do, and have in this lifetime. I am whole and complete just as I am right now. I am treasured and I am loved. I am accepting all of my good, all of my abundance, and all of my joy. I am in control of my reactions, and I am in control over my thoughts. I can choose to feel better at any time. I am always expanding into something better than before. I am moving forward in life. I am being and expressing my true self. I am grateful and inspired by the world around me. I am a magnet to positive people and experiences. I am excited for the future. I am focused on my dreams. I am surrounded with support and love from the universe. I am always provided with whatever I need. I am flowing effortlessly through life. I am attracting new and positive opportunities that enhance my life. I am successful in all areas of my life. I am achieving incredible things.